So Instagram has just pushed out an update for their Notes application or their Notes portion of Instagram, and it's actually a pretty big update. So we're going to go and take a look at it. Number one, I will tell you, if you're trying to go through and make a prompt on Instagram, it's a pretty easy, thing to do nowadays, and this is a pretty big thing. Prompts will basically allow you to go ahead and get, people to reply back to your story. You can even add people within a prompt in a Notes thing now, which is pretty big. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go and make your way over and swipe over to the side of your particular Instagram application to your DM panel. Now, when you come into here at the very top, you'll see your normal type of panel that you'll basically see. But what we want to do is you want to tap onto our note. So right here where it says shows our profile, we're going to tap on that note panel right here, and this little page is going to come up. Now, there should be a little prompt right up here or a little option here that will allow you to make something into a prompt. So if you get that little pop-up, that is basically how you make a prompt within Instagram. So now what you can do is once you click on that prompt option, you can go ahead and basically get into a little panel that looks like this, and it will allow you to type in or basically write in whatever you want to. So now what you want, you can just type in again whatever you want, and then you can share that particular prompt out to other people. So now if I go and click share, you can see it'll come here as it normally would, and then I can go and tap into it, and then I can go and leave a new note, I can delete a note or whatever, and people can even like the prompts, people can do whatever they want to now. If you don't get that prompt option, like you can see I didn't get it, it basically means that my Instagram application hasn't gotten that update yet, so I'm going to have to wait it out. But that's basically how it works. It's a pretty basic process for the most part, and that's how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.